Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nessa here, and today I'd be showing you guys around to a day in my life. Enjoy!
Wondering where I'd be if we stayed the night. They all at that party, yeah, but I don't mind, cause I bought a hot 7-Eleven.
Guys, so we're now on our way to pick, and we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna accompany my sister.
On top of the world with your hand in my pocket. Hold my jacket, pass the lighter, take a breath in.
We've arrived at our first destination, so we're going to find my sister's pre-wed dress. There she is. That's a car. Oh
I haven't done. All the friends pretending like they wanna get lunch. Don't know if we'll do 'em, but it's fun to dream. Yeah, it's funny to dream, but you're laughing with me. I wanna stay in this moment with you. Under the moon, I feel on top of the world with your hand in my pocket. Hold my jacket, pass the lighter, take a breath in. Sing that fast part, know the last part, the way you like it. We're on top of the world. You mean everything to me, everything to me.
Review. So good. Where are we? We're in Booklet. Okay, at this point, I really don't know how many food or meals we have had. And after this pun, kita masih ke GIOI. Jadi kayak, apparently this vlog is filled with so much restaurants. So I didn't get to record much in GIOI because my sister was having a meeting. But yeah, that marks the end of the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.